The day humanity almost went extinct 70,000 years ago. Something happened that may have nearly erased humanity, not metaphorically, literally. Today, there are over 8 billion humans on Earth, but genetic evidence suggests that at one point, our species may have dropped to just a few thousand survivors, maybe even less. So, what happened? The first clue is inside your DNA. When scientists compared human genetics across the world, they discovered something strange. We are extremely similar. Far more similar than expected for a global species spread across continents. This suggests a population bottleneck, a moment when humanity shrank drastically before expanding again. But what could cause that? One major suspect is a supervolcano. Around 74,000 years ago, a massive eruption occurred in Indonesia. Today, we call it Lake Toba. This was not an ordinary volcano. It is classified as a VEI 8 super eruption, the highest possible level on the volcanic explosivity index. It released an estimated 2,800 cubic kilometers of volcanic material. That's rock, ash, and debris on a continental scale. Ash layers from this eruption have been found across thousands of kilometers. The eruption injected massive amounts of sulfur into the atmosphere, forming aerosols that likely blocked sunlight. This may have triggered a volcanic winter, a sharp global temperature drop lasting years. Reduced sunlight, failed harvest cycles in affected regions, collapsing ecosystems. This is why scientists proposed the Toba catastrophe theory. The idea was simple. A super eruption happens, ash fills the sky. The planet cools, and human populations collapse. At first, many researchers supported this idea because it seemed to match the genetic bottleneck, a near-extinction event caused by environmental disaster. But then problems appeared. Archaeological evidence did not fully match a total collapse. In parts of Africa, humans appear to have survived continuously through this period. They kept making tools, they kept adapting, they kept living. This created a major scientific contradiction. If Toba caused near extinction, why didn't all regions show the same collapse? Today, scientists are divided. Some argue Toba caused a severe population crash. Others believe the bottleneck came from long-term climate instability, not a single eruption. Some suggest multiple overlapping pressures, climate shifts, food scarcity, disease, and environmental stress, all acting together. So the debate continues, but one thing is agreed upon. At some point in human history, our population became extremely small. To understand how small, imagine this: instead of billions of humans, the entire population may have been reduced to a group the size of a small town, or even a single stadium, just a few thousand individuals. All modern humans today may trace their ancestry back to that surviving population. Every language, every culture, every civilization, every person alive right now, all connected to them. And here's the most important part. We still don't know exactly what saved them. It may have been adaptability, it may have been cooperation, it may have been geography, it may have been pure chance. But one thing is certain. At some point in history, humanity came dangerously close to disappearing. And everything that exists today exists only because a small group survived when the world became almost unlivable.